Please, Min Yoongi, did you accept Park Jimin as Yoongi? Park Jimin, did you accept Min Yoongi as? But it's necessary. He said he looked at Yoongi. He gave his hand to Yoongi. Spend a happy life, he said, and Jimin said thanks to him and go. Jimin come back and see Yoongi sit on the couch. His voice is calm. So, sit on the couch. So I changed every picture because I lost my so many pictures. Jimin, Yoongi, yeah. Jimin said, Yoongi, Jimin, come and sit beside me. He said, and Jimin nodded. He sit beside him. Yoongi, I know. Jimin, everything is so new. The relationship with your husbands now is so different, but hope so you don't feel uncomfortable. Jimin, how can I Yoongi? I am the one. I'm the one who said I want to marry you, Yoongi, but I know still your comfort is my first priority, he said, and Yoongi smiled. Yoongi, because of Yoongi smiled. Yoongi, you Yoongi, see you are so kind. Yoongi chakal. Yoongi really. Jimin nodded. Yoongi, and you were so beautiful, he said, and Jimin sadly smiled. Jimin, but if I'm not, I mean, when you get your eyes, so you see me. If I was not beautiful, then Yoongi, I'm sure you were so beautiful. Jimin, but if you don't recognize me, then Yoongi, you think it's happened? Jimin, maybe or maybe not. Yoongi, so you think about me like this, Jimin? Annie, I'm just tell you my point of view, nothing else, Yoongi. So you are thinking wrong. Remember, Jimin, you are the most beautiful and precious person for me, he said, and then looking down. Yoongi, why so silent? Jimin, nothing. He's feeling shy. Jimin in mind, why? Jimin mind, why I'm feeling shy? I don't know. Jimin come in the room. He see Yoongi sit on the bed. He thought to tease Yoongi. He sit in front of him without making any noise. Yoongi, Jimin, you come. Jimin, how you know I come? Yoongi, what you think? What you think? It's difficult for me to recognize you, huh? No way. Jimin make up out. Jimin, that's wrong. Yoongi chuckle. Yoongi, but I know when you come, when you go, each and everything, my sixth sense is so good after that. Jimin, yeah, I know. He said while making up out. Yoongi, stop outing. You must be looking so cute. Jimin, eyes widen. Jimin, how you know, Yoongi, that you are cute? Jimin, no, I am pouting. Yoongi, I just imagine you and said, Jimin make off face. Jimin, I thought you can seize me. Yoongi hope so. Jimin, now don't be emotional, okay? Eat and sleep. And Sachin pass him a smile and pinch his nose. Yoongi, why so? Jimin, because I want. He said and start to. Jimin started doing his work on his laptop and Yoongi lay on them and Yoongi, Jimin, what are you doing? Jimin, me, I have some files to complete, so I am just completing my files where Yoongi, I said you many times, don't do work at this time, Jimin, just a little bit work, Yoongi, no, Jimin, please, Yoongi, I said no means no, Jimin, make up out, Jimin, just let me send the mail, Yoongi, Jimin, it's important, Yoongi, fine, do whatever you want. Who I am to stop you? He said and turned his side. Jimin, no, Yoongi, feel hurt. She closed the laptop and went to him. Jimin, Yoongi, listen. Please forgive me, please. I did not complete my work, nothing else. For me, Yoongi, yes, I am so. Now complete your work and sleep. Jimin, no, I am sleepy. I will do later. Moreover, Mr. Min is not here, so it's okay. Yoongi, where is he? Jimin, don't know. He never come office hobby. Young handle everything when you don't have time for your office. Why you are running a building? Weird person. Yoongi, you are right. On your place, you have to listen his employees. Jimin, of course, leave it. I don't want to talk about him. I am sleepy. Let's sleep. Tomorrow we have to wake up early. Yoongi, good night. Jimin, good night. They both lay on the bed. It's first time Jimin heart is beating like this. He tries best. They sit on the bed. They sit on the bed, so they are married now. I am feeling like I did wrong. I don't have to marry him now. What I do, huh? Oh God, where I stuck. That's why I don't like people. Are now this marriage day. You also have exams next week. What you do? I am stuck badly in all this, especially with that so-called Jungle Book. Yeah, he is Jungle Book. Why I call him Jan Jungkook? He has face to call him Jan Jungkook. Idiot duffer. In him come in front of my eyes. I will tell him what he did. He invite by himself. Jay is so angry, and then Jungkook enter in the JK. Hello, Jay. What the dare to call me with this name, JK? What I call you? What you want me to call you, huh? Taeyang Kim Taeyang. JK, correction, Jin Taeyang. Tay, oh, really? I am so lucky I get you. JK, oh, huh? You are so bad. Tay, everyone wants me, and you are see. Why so early, huh? How can you sleep? Tay, why you have any problem? JK, it's after my. Tay, oh, like I celebrate with you. JK, if you don't do with me, then with home. You do, huh? There may be some other handsome. He speak more. Jungkook hold him by his arm tightly. You could dare to speak something wrong, Jin Taeyang. I swear I don't even bother to. He tried to free his hand, but she can't. Till leave me, JK. Then be careful to speak before he said and leave his hand. JK, go and change and sleep now. Don't speak too much, he said, and go from there. Tay, sit on the bed and why the I listen him, huh? What he think about himself, idiot? He said and sit on the bed. He didn't do as Cook said, and after 3 hours, Jungkook come. JK, still didn't change your clothes. Tay, why the I listen you. JK, oh, don't listen me. I have my arm raised. He said. Tay, what? He speak further, but she feel Jungkook. JK, say Tay, don't like JK. Now you change. Or Tay, I am going. He said, and tears roll from his eyes. JK back and Tay. Go from there. JK feel bad. He don't want to do this, but Tay himself him to do. He come out. He didn't even look at Jungkook. JK Tay. Tay didn't said anything. He lay on the bed. JK, I don't want to do this with you. Tay, you please forgive me. It's just you don't listen me. He said and feeling sad. He don't want to do Tay, stay silent. He turned and his back is facing Jungkook. JK, Tay, please. But she didn't get any response. JK sign. He hold a pillow and the blanket. JK, I will sleep on the other couch. You no need to be uncomfortable. You no need to feel uncomfortable. He said and lay on the couch. Tay closed his eyes to let his tear out. In the blink of his eyes, Aram is waiting for Jin to come. He is nervous. They are already married, and once again they are going to marry, but now at different emotions. Namjoon see Jin is coming. Aram, you come. Jin stand there with no emotions. Aram, thank you so much for doing this, Jin. I am doing all this for my daughter. Nothing else. I know, and we make her happy. Don't worry. Jin, look at Aram. Jin, don't even dare to forget we are saying all this just because of you. I know, and I make everything perfect. Just trust me, please. Jin didn't say anything, and then priest come. Hello, son. Oh, hello, son. You both come, Jin. Please, father, do fast. I have to pick my daughter from school. Father, I understand, son. You both stand in front of each other. He said, and Namjoon and Jin stand in front of each other. So let's start. He start to read something. Go behind him. Jin come out from his car. He see Hyunji. Hyunji smiled to see his dad, and she ran to him. She ran to him. And again, Jin, so how was your day? Hyunji, it's superb, Dad. You know, I do a lot of fun and teachers new things also. Jin, really? Hyunji, yes. Jin, you must be happy. Let's go. You must be hungry. Let's go. Hyunji nodded. Hyunji looked at Namjoon and smiled. Hyunji, Namjoon uncle. She ran to him and Namjoon smiled. Yes, I am here to pick you up from your school. Hyunji become happy. Hyunji, really? Yes, and from now you stay with me, Hyunji and Dad. He also. Jin, no. You want to stay? He asked from Hyunji, who nodded with her big eyes. Said to your dad, Hyunji san as Hyunji. I do as my dad said. Good girl, Jin. No, you and Hyunji stay with me. Next day, Jimin wake up. He see Yoongi is not on the bed. He sit on the bed and see Yoongi come out. Yoongi come out and see after fresh up. Yoongi, Jimin, you are perfect in everything, Yoongi. Yoongi, oh, you wake up. Good morning, Jimin, good morning. Jimin, want any help? He said and went to him, Yoongi. No, no, you go and fresh up. Jimin, still, Yoongi, it's totally fine. Jimin, you go. Jimin nodded, Yoongi. Oh, Jimin, okay then. If you want, ask me. Ask me. He said, and Yoongi nodded. Jimin, go. And Yoongi start to comb his hairs. After some time, Jimin come out fully ready for going office. Jimin, Yoongi, let's go. Yoongi, where? Jimin, already informed you last night. Today we go to meet doctor. I think you forget. Yoongi, Jimin, there is no need. Please, Jimin, I don't think you want me. Jimin looked at him and take a step back. Jimin, what happened with your voice? Yoongi, what? Jimin, you are talking like you me if I don't listen you. He said and Yoongi checked Yoongi, haha, really? Why would I do that? Huh? You must have some misunderstanding. Jimin, maybe we will let's go. Jimin and Yoongi Jimin and Yoongi reach doctor. Said Jimin, he go out. He check Yoongi. Jimin is confused. Way it's no, it's just eyes, but he do as doctor said, and now he come inside and sit beside Yoongi. Jimin, you come. Yoongi nodded. Jimin, yes, doctor. Doctor, he still didn't have that much good recovery. So for now, just continue his med. Or I mean, it's just about I. Jimin, Young, his med. Give him on time. I do something change. You takes from reception, please. Jimin, okay, but why you said me to go out? I mean, it's just about I. Yoongi, Jimin, Jimin, look at him. Doctor, I'm sorry, but it's our duty. Jimin, just now, Jimin, sorry if I ask wrong, but he's perfect in everything. How can it's possible? So, I know my granny is, but she is not perfect like Yoongi. Doctor, it's about age, Mr. Park. Yoongi, that's why you're asking that much stupid questions. Jimin, it's just I want to know how you do all this because I see my granny. I am sorry if I hurt you, Yoongi. Leave it, Jimin. I am feeling like I am you, but I don't. I am really not able to see. Jimin, I know, Yoongi, please don't take me wrong. Please, please forgive me. Sorry, Yoongi. Yoongi didn't say anything and go from there. Jimin, understand his sixth sense is fast. He stay at home. That's why. Jimin drop Yoongi and come home. Yoongi is mad at him. Whole journey is silent. Jimin try best to talk with him, but he did not. And Jimin still stuck on the morning incidents. He entered in the office and see Hosyak. He went to him and bow at him. Jimin, sir, good morning. Hop, good morning, Jimin. You come, Jimin. Yeah, I come. Hop. Jimin, you complete the file. Jimin, no, sir. I still did not. I was busy. Sorry. Oh, yeah, it's all right. Do fast. We have to send the file to Mr. Min. He want to check the contract. Jimin said him to come office, huh? Like seriously, Hobby Young, who do business like this? Hobby, we can't say anything to him. He's the boss. Jimin, what if I get the chance to talk with him? I tell him how to do business. Even I will. You are so angry, huh? Jimin, what I do, Hobby? You know me very well, right? Hobby, I know, but tell me what happened. Jimin, explain him everything. Hobby, leave Yoongi on the side for now. You are suspicious for all this. Jimin, yes, Hobby. Jimin, it's impossible for a person to be that much perfect. Jimin, I asked from doctor, but he said it's not. Jimin, but in my point of view, it's Jimin. What I do, tell me. It's not like I don't believe him. I do, but what I do with my heart and brain, both are not ready to listen. Nothing, Jimin. Let's the thing go like this. For now, and don't do anything. We will see what happens next. Jimin nodded, Hobby. But if any chance, like he's not pretend, what you do? Jimin, what if it's all drama? So hope so it's not because I ready to take care of him and of his hobby nodded. Hobby, I understand you. You mean okay now I am going. You must be waiting for me. Hobby, I am so happy to see you like this. Finally, you also have someone who wait for you, care for you. Jimin smile and And Jimin, yes, Young, he take care of me a lot. I am happy. Hobby always been take care. Jimin, you too take care. Bye. He wave his hand and go. Hobby smile to see him. His phone buzz. His phone buzz and he go. Jimin come home. He see Yoongi is not in the living room. Jimin, Yoongi, where are you? He he sit on the couch. He closes his eyes for some time. He's so tired today. He open his eyes. Jimin, Yoongi. He open his eyes and sit on the bed. He see no one is in the room. He went to the bedroom for fresh up. He didn't have any clothes, so he wear Jungkook shirt, which is so big and come out. He sit on the bed and hug his knees. He don't want to go out, and then the door open. Sir, eat a little bit, please. Tay is also so hungry. He nodded and start eating. Call us if you want something. Tay, where is your and then again look at Tay. He is standing outside Trevor. He said he come after you eat. He said Tay stop eating. She said Tay stop eating. He think I stop eating if he come. Well, that's true. So if you don't mind, should I said something? Tay nodded. Tay, I'm done. Sir, please eat more. Tay, no, I'm done. You go. Tay remember her words, and then again mate come. She holds strawberries. To eat strawberries. Tay, he is doing all this just for my forgiveness, or he have some other aim. Last night he leave me. He didn't do anything. It's me who start crying first, but I was scared. It's not my fault. But he also leave me his. But he also leave his bed and sleep on the couch. This was unexpected. But if I forgive him, and he again come here, no, why it's so complicated for me to understand of all this. Every problem solution is strawberries. He again started to eat. With his thoughts, he don't know someone staring him. And then the door opened. Jungkook entered in the room. It's afternoon now. They see him, but he didn't stop eating like Jungkook snatched. Jungkook snatched the strawberries from him. Trey rolled his eyes. I know you are mad at me because. JK, are you listening me? Trey nodded. Trey, I mean, yeah, I am listening you. Still, you did wrong. JK, I am not saying forgive me. I gain your forgiveness. He said, and Trey looked at him with his big eyes. JK, because just let's be a friend. He said, mate, Trey, sure. Trey, huh? Friends? JK nodded. Trey, okay, but you don't come close to me. JK, why would I give? Would I just give me one chance? हजी होने चला है just give me one chance take a smile I don't know अब don't know Namjoon and Jin Hyunji come so this is my apartment hope so Hyunji like she nodded and gave him a cute smile. Jin see the apartment and memories start to flash in his mind, memories of a happiness and memories of a sadness. Everything is here. Hyunji, Dad, do you like it? Jin nodded. Hyunji, we like Nam Uncle. I am glad, Hyunji, but I am hungry. I order food for you. What you want to eat? Hyunji, order what you like. She said, I am nodded. I am so you don't want to see your room. I already decorate your room. Hyunji, really? She become happy and nodded. Hyunji, Dad, can I go? Jin nodded and she run upstairs. Jin, be careful, but she go. Jin turned to I am so you know we have only 2 rooms in our apartment. Jin, your apartment, and I stay with Hyunji. I am Jin. Can't you give me a chance to explain? After fresh up, everyone come in the living room and eat their lunch. Jin is feeding Hyunji. Hyunji, June uncle, you know my dad is also businessman like you. I am look at her and smile. I am your dad is businessman. I am your dad now. Hyunji, I am talking about my dad. I am not. I am your dad. Hyunji, you're the real one. I am look at her and then Jin with. So this is the second part. Hope so you all like. If you like, then subscribe. So tell me in comments. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Sarang.